How to unban TikTok account. Hi everyone, if your account of TikTok has been recently banned or suspended, you would be able to open up your account of TikTok. Now what you'll need to do in order to unban it is you'll need to create a different account, and then you need to report a problem to TikTok that your different account has been banned. So make sure that you've already created a TikTok account, and then you'll need to open up the app and log into your new TikTok account. Now from the home screen, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings. Now in settings, you need to scroll down and tap on report a problem. Now the reason that your account of TikTok may be banned is because you've violated the community guidelines of TikTok, or maybe many people have reported your account. Either way, you can request an unban directly to TikTok. Now here on this report a problem section, you would want to tap on account and profile and then tap on this login option. Now in login option, again a drop down will open up. You need to tap on the suspended account. Now again it's going to show you that your account may have been suspended due to you violating the community guidelines. Is your problem solved? You're gonna tap on no and need more help. Now here all you need to do is add in the username of your account that was banned. So add in a @ and then add in the username of your account. If you already appealed to TikTok previously, then make sure you tap on yes. If not, then tap on no. If you want, you can also add in more descriptions of the ban, and then you can tap on submit on the bottom. Now after you requested unban of your suspended account, TikTok should contact you on your email address and your account of TikTok should be unbanned. So that's going to be all for today's video. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, also subscribe. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.